Hello class, before drawing angles we should know how does the angle of particular types looks like. Okay, here you can see in this angle, as I have already told you, it is a straight angle. You can see both the arms are straight and in opposite direction, and straight angle measures 180 degree. Here you can see both the arms are in opposite direction, so it's a straight angle. Here you can see I already told you one ray is perpendicular to the another one, so it is a right angle, and right angle measures 90 degree. Okay, it is angle of 90 degree. It is a right angle. Now what are these acute angle and obtuse angle looks like? For that, here you can see these are the two arms, and now in the first point both the arms are on one point. Okay, so one on the another, there is no space between them. It is a 0 degree angle. Now if I will increase the space between them, at one point of time it is 90 degree, right? Now it is 90 degree, but what acute angles look like? Acute angle lies between a 0 degree angle and 90 degree angle. 0 degree angle and 90 degree angle. All the angles which are coming between the 0 degree and 90 degree is known as the acute angle. Here you can see acute angle is lies between 0 degree and 90 degree. It is 0 degree, so it is a 0 angle. Now it is 90 degree. Okay, so it is a right angle. Now all the angles like 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, 4 degree, 5 degree, and so on 89 degree. So these are the angles which are acute angle. So you should have the idea when you see a particular angle, you should be knowing that it is acute angle or obtuse angle. If I say which angle is this, so you should be knowing it is an angle which is less than 90 degrees, so it will be an acute angle. You should know these values. Okay, if I turn this like this, then also it will remain same, it because the right angle will be like this. And all the angles, these are the angles which are less than 90 degrees, so it will be acute angle. I hope you understood this. Now let us talk about the obtuse angles. Now it is 90 degree. If I move 1 degree up more than 90 degree, then it will be 91 degree. So this 91 degree, 92 degree, 93, 94, 110, 120, 30, 40, till 180. All the angles which are greater than the 90 degree angles are known as the obtuse angle. So you can see obtuse, how does the obtuse angle looks like? It is, which angle is this? This is a obtuse angle. So you should know, by seeing the angles you should have the idea which angle is this. Means which angle is this, bacho? This is obtuse angle. Which angle is this? This is a right angle. Which angle is this? This is a acute angle. Now which angle is this? This is a obtuse angle. Now which angle is this? This is 180 degree, because now both the rays are in opposite direction and straight to each other, so it is a straight angle, and straight angle measures 180 degrees. So all the angles that are less than 180 degree and greater than 90 degree are known as obtuse angle. I hope you understood this, and based on this learning only you have to draw the angles and then check. Means if you have drawn 50 degree like this, okay, but 50 degree is less than 90 or greater than 90? 50 degree is less than 90 degree. Is this angle less than 90 or greater than 90? 90 is like this. Now it is more than 90. So this will be wrong. On your protector you will see 250 degrees, two value of each degrees. Okay, two values of each angle you will be in your protector, there will be. Okay, so you have to keep this point in mind, कि which 50 degree you will mark. which is less than 90 degree. Okay, in the same way you will see two values on your protractor for 120 degree. So here is one value given like this point and at this point. So first you have to find out 120 degree is an obtuse angle. Okay, 120 degree is an obtuse angle, so it will be greater than 90. Obviously it will be greater than 90, so it cannot look like this, it will be always looking like this. So this thing will help you in drawing angles. Understood?